In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error 268. First thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in Roblox. So here inside Roblox player, right click open file location. Here you will see two files, so the player and the studio. So here under Roblox player, you want to right click, go to properties, compatibility, run this program as an in compatibility mode. Windows 7, run this program as an administrator, click apply and OK. And after that, if you're still having issues, I suggest uninstalling Roblox and reinstalling it. And you can do this when you go to control panel. And over here, if you go to programs and features, you'll be able to find Roblox over here. So if you search Roblox, here is Roblox player and here is Roblox Studio. You can uninstall it by right click and click uninstall and reinstall it back from the internet. And hopefully this should fix your issue.